If you were to drive down the Las Vegas Strip, the first thing you'd notice is the abundance of lights and signs. What you wouldn't notice is the number of meetings and conventions that are happening every single day. In Las Vegas, there are nearly 24,000 meetings and conventions every year, and that's just Vegas. If you look around the country, every year there are 270,000 conventions and conferences. Many of these conventions and conferences need experts. They need you, but maybe you're feeling stuck. You're not quite sure what to do to get more bookings. Maybe you feel like you're driving down a dirt road alone, in a desert, wondering if there's a better way. That's where Game Changers come in. Let's get you back on the fast track to more bookings at higher fees. Whether you're earning $2,500 a speech or $25,000, this event was designed for you. This is not just another event, it's a 2-day revolution for your career. Only once a year do 8 world-class experts descend upon Las Vegas. Experts who are out there doing it and would love to train you to do the same. This is our 17th annual conference. What does that mean to you? We've got experience. The industry is changing rapidly. What worked in 2020 doesn't even work anymore. Join us and you'll discover how to find more bookings and how to position yourself to get higher fees. Who are the experts and what will you get? We're bringing in Maureen Zappala, a former NASA engineer. This year, she's having her best year ever. She hit 6 figures in just a few years. And she's gonna show you what she does and how she does it. You'll also get a proven process from Hall of Fame speaker, Sam Richter. He'll show you in just 15 minutes a day how to generate 750 qualified prospects for you every year. You'll be shocked at what you don't know, but you will soon. You'll hear from Jennifer Lear, a speaker bureau agent who books speakers all day long. What's working in 2024? Chris McGuire, a late night Hollywood comedy writer. More laughs, more bookings. Ed Tate, world champion speaker and CSP. Get yes to your request. Mark Brown, world champion CSP. Connect more deeply, get more referrals. And Ford Sakes, Hall of Fame speaker who runs a 7-figure business. What does he do and how does he do it?
It's not what you know. I don't want to hear about what you know. It's how well you execute.
When you register, you're going to get a free bonus. You're going to get 1 year's access to searchlink.ai, specifically designed for professional speakers. You're also going to get a list of 3,500 association meeting planners. You'll get their phone number and their personal LinkedIn address. So if you want more details, go to stagetimelive.com. This only happens once a year when 8 world-class experts descend on Las Vegas to help you get more bookings, higher fees. Join us at the Stratosphere, right on the Strip in Las Vegas, or join us virtually. The sooner you sign up, the more you'll save. Join us.